There's a saying, the fruit doesn't fall too far from its tree. My younger son just randomly asked me to pull out my camera and wants to share his take on how should kids pose for pictures. This video has some of his posing tips with absolutely no input from me, and he says they come from his observation and experience. Experience? 6-year-old? He made me shoot this video last year randomly. I thought of sharing it because I did like his cute, goofy and impromptu take on this subject. At the end of this video, I will also share some of the kids' pictures that I have shot using Shwas's suggestions. And trust me, they work just as well as his charm does. Now, these pictures should work as good reference shots if you are having a hard time getting your children to pose for pictures.
Hi guys, my name is Shwas, and now I'm gonna show you how to do some perfect poses for kids. First pose is this. Find the perfect height for you. And it doesn't look good to have both legs straight. So see how it looks with both legs straight. So that's why you have to bend this leg or this leg. And you can either face the camera or look away from the camera. Now I'm going to show all the actions that you're supposed to do. Now, number 2, this. Now, if you want to have a little relaxment one, you can go like this and like stare at the sunrise or set. These are the 3 looks: thoughtful, smile, and mischief. So now I'm going to show you how to do sitting poses. One goes like this. And then another one goes like this. Now these are both sitting poses. Now if you want to learn more, please subscribe. Now guys, this is the very last thing I'm going to show you. This is a very cool, stylish way of doing a pose against the wall.
What are you doing?
I'm doing 1 foot on the wall, 1 foot on the ground, and acting stylish.
So cute.
Whoever's taking this picture, tell your parents to move around and take the picture at different angles. Goodbye. Subscribe, please. And tell me if I'm gonna be a YouTuber. Bye. Confusion poses. If you ever want to act like suspense, you can go like this. If you want to figure something out, go like this. There are many, many, many ways you can show what you have to do. Your parents to be ready for some candid pictures so you don't mess up some fun moments. I'm about to go on this fun ride. I'm going to take some fun pictures on this ride.
Hope this was an entertaining video. Kindly hold back any negative responses in the comment section below. but words of encouragement for the kiddo are welcome. Well, this is also a sign for like button. So like he said, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and get ready for some absolutely new content lined up here on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, on my Facebook fan page. You can see all my social media handles linked in the description below and here on the screen right now. How to look good in pictures, fall fashion trends, a whole series on corporate grooming tips, and a lot more to look forward to. I'm sharing a lot more of my styling tips and shopping suggestions where you can shop my looks on a very helpful app called Like to Know It. There are very few hand-selected influencers who can make it to this app, and I'm right there. So please download it, follow me there, and I will also add the link in the description below. Do share this video with your friends who lose patience while trying to take pictures with their kids. If you are in and around Chicago area and looking for a photographer, then don't forget to look me up, blushwithme.com. I cannot guarantee if Shwas will be my assistant, but he does take photography lessons and take some amazing pictures with me. Actually, both my kids. What do you want to watch on my channel? Your suggestions are taken very seriously here, so shoot your comments in the comment section below. See you next week. Until then, blush with me.